Imagine waking up tomorrow and finding out your new coworker isn't human but an AI. Some say robots are here to steal your job, others say they're the secret to getting rich. So which side are you on? Across industries, AI is automating tasks once done by humans. Customer service, design, even legal research are being affected. The fear is that millions of jobs could vanish, and let's be honest, that is terrifying. But here's the flip side. AI is also creating new opportunities. Side hustles powered by AI are exploding right now. From automating YouTube thumbnails to running e-commerce stores, AI is a business partner. Think about it. AI chatbots can handle customer service 24/7. AI design tools can create logos in seconds. AI trading bots can analyze thousands of data points faster than any human. These are not threats, but tools you can use to earn. So here's the debate. Is AI the villain stealing jobs or the hero creating wealth? The truth is, it depends on how you use it. Ignore it and you risk being replaced. Embrace it and you could build a new income stream. Here's how you can flip the script. First, learn basic AI tools like chatbots, design apps, and automation software. Second, apply them to side hustles such as content creation, freelancing, and e-commerce. Third, scale your income by letting AI handle the boring work while you focus on strategy. AI is dominating global conversations, especially around jobs and automation. Fear of job loss and hope for financial gain combine into a powerful emotional hook. Unlike fleeting trends, AI plus money content has evergreen potential and stays relevant for months. AI employees are here, but the big question is, will they take your job or make you rich? From factories to finance, AI is reshaping industries, and many people fear mass unemployment. But is that the full story? AI is not just replacing jobs, it's creating opportunities like side hustles and business automation. Content creation is exploding as creators use AI tools to automate repetitive tasks and scale output. Think of AI chatbots handling customer service or design tools creating logos in seconds. These tools are not threats, but resources you can use to earn. So is AI the villain stealing jobs or the hero creating wealth? The truth is, it depends on how you use it. AI employees are here to stay, so will you fight them or hire them to work for you? Subscribe for more side hustle strategies.